Hello guys, welcome back to Comforting Homes. Today, we'll take a look at this incredible new construction estate, which is located on a beautiful tree-lined street in a prominent Sherman Oaks neighborhood. With nearly 4,000 square feet of open living area and luxurious amenities, this home is a genuine expression of quality and design at its finest. The over 12-foot high ceilings and courtyard, which are ideal for indoor/outdoor living, will capture you as soon as you step in. Custom cabinets, book-matched marble countertops, and top-of-the-line equipment highlight this chef's kitchen. The master suite features soaring ceilings, a large walk-in closet, and built-in cabinets with a wine refrigerator. A private oasis-like backyard with a BBQ area with seating, pool/spa, and a full-size ADU that can be used as an additional apartment, office, or gym is accessible by double pocket sliding doors. A smart system, immersive sound, a security system with cameras, and much more are available as extras. This property perfectly captures the California lifestyle and is ready for its new owners to enjoy. I'd like to finish off by thanking you all for watching. Coming from an architecture and construction background, I always enjoy watching these luxury homes in Sherman Oaks. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all again soon.